have our knob and tube. Comes up the wall here, those two wires, and they go into this single gang junction box. And then it feeds over to this triple gang junction box, and everything's all twisted together in there. We have long ends on the wires, about an inch of exposed wire, and then twisted together with the blue wire nuts. So we have a good contact there, and then we'll put our cover over the box. We have our 14-12 and or 14-2 and 14-3 wires routed down the house. And all of the old knob and tube wiring is now gone, eliminated. So the next step we have is we clear the insulation out from under all of the orange pipe in the house, all the way down to the end and here. And then we tint it with R19 24-inch wide insulation, and we sweep away the insulation directly under it so that warm house air under the pipes will rise up and keep them warmer in the winter, freeze prevention. And so that's what we're going to do tomorrow, or Monday I guess, is get about 4 rolls of 24-inch wide R19 and then sweep out the insulation under the pipe and cover it over. Then when the fire marshal inspects it and theoretically gives us the all clear, then we will blow insulation in over everything. So things are coming along really good. See, there's one of the sprinkler heads there. Focus on it. Focus. So anyway, okay. Back to normal. Wide as this phone goes. So anyway, okay, that is the report from up here. So yes, looking good. The insulation is all, or the wiring is all wrapped up. And we have a map of the wiring made up for the customer so they know where what is, what goes. Okay, signing off. It's always fun to find old artifacts when you're remodeling. This one here is from McClendon Hardware, April 26th of 1976. 2 shovels, $5.99 each. When do you buy a shovel for $5.99? And a Visqueen roll, $24.95. Visqueen was kind of expensive back then, but errors subject to correction. This is long before the computer age. 1976. Windows DOS wasn't even around yet. They might have had the Altair computer at that time. All right. And we put in a service outlet and a light switch with a little light up there so that you can get up and see things in the attic, and that is a fully sealed LED light. So it's a good light for a location like this. Okay.